Today's recipe is spaghetti alla puttanesca. Make sure that you watch the recipe entirely in order to get the best results. And we're beginning by setting a pan on medium-high heat. And to this we're adding 3 tablespoons of good quality extra virgin olive oil. Now we're following up with a quarter of finely chopped white onion, 3 cloves of crushed garlic, and by using crushed garlic you're only gonna get a light garlic aroma in there, which is what we're looking for, 2 teaspoons of chopped capers, and 3 anchovies. The Italians, they use anchovies especially to season the pasta sauce because that's what they kind of do once they dissolve into the sauce. We're following up with a good pinch of chili flakes, or if you have fresh chilies, use them fresh. Now when your onion is becoming translucent, we can go in with 2 different types of pitted olives. Now tomato sauce, in this situation I'm using some Italian tomato passata. If you want to make your own tomato sauce, I'm gonna leave a recipe right here. It's actually quite easy, but we're gonna keep it even simpler using chopped both. Now we are bringing the sauce to a simmering temperature and we're gonna cook it for another minute or 2. Now with the pasta that we cooked al dente, we're gonna go with over the sauce, but just make sure that you keep some of the pasta water. This is quite important because we're gonna add about a ladle or 2 just to balance the sauce. Now we're gonna continue cooking the pasta and the sauce together for a further 2-3 minutes so the pasta gets the chance to absorb some of that flavor from the sauce. And before serving, add in some fresh parsley, and also you can go in with some grated parmesan.